Hi, I'm attorney Nick Alcock. If you've been arrested for a crime and you're trying to find the right attorney, this process can be really quite intimidating, and I just want to make sure that you know that we make it so simple for you. All you have to do is just give us a call at 602-989-5000, 602-989-5000. So when you call, we're not going to tell you that you just have to come in and that's it. We're actually going to give you the option to speak with an attorney over the phone. Now, if the attorney's on the other line, it might take a second for us to get back to you, but you don't actually have to come into our office and meet with an attorney. And so we'll take the time to speak with you. We're actually interested in listening to you. We want to know what's going on with your case. How did you find yourself with criminal charges? What type of history do you have? What type of background? How that can be used against you? And then we're listening very specifically for things that we think can benefit you. We're listening for, were your rights violated? Was there a procedural error that was made? Is there a potential problem with the police officer and the way that he conducted the investigation? And that's something that we really pay quite a bit of attention to so that we can try and give you the most comprehensive information possible. And when you speak with an attorney over the phone, we're going to try and give you a full, complete, comprehensive idea as to what it is you're looking at. What's the worst case scenario? What's the best case scenario? For a first-time DUI, sometimes people hear from either the court or maybe another law firm that they're looking at up to 6 months in jail. That's true. Anybody calling me who's arrested for a misdemeanor DUI, I could tell them that. Well, for a misdemeanor DUI, you're facing a maximum time, period of time in jail of 6 months. But that's not really good enough, and it freaks a lot of people out that who are good people, and they don't really deserve to be freaked out. If you are arrested for being over a 0.08, but between a 0.08 and a 0.15 blood alcohol concentration, you're probably not going to be facing 6 months in jail if that's your first offense. In fact, it's much more likely you'd be facing 1 day or 24 hours. If you already served some time in jail, you might just get credit for time served and not have to go back. So we really want to know, how many drinks did you have? What was your blood alcohol concentration? What did the handheld device, if you blew into that, what did that say? And with all that information, we can start putting together a good idea as to what it is you're facing. Same thing goes for felony offenses or other crimes. We can listen to the facts of your case and give you our thumbnail impression. We give you our idea as to what we think your best case and your worst case scenario is. It's not a sales pitch. It's not come to my office and we're going to tell you, well, you've got to pay us everything you've got, and otherwise you're going to go to jail for 6 months. And that's just not how we operate. It's not really what I'm interested in doing. I'm interested in helping people. I want to make sure they know what their options are. I want to make sure that before they sign an agreement that they have as much information as they possibly can. If you change your mind, if it's a situation where after a couple of days you decide, well, I don't want a private attorney, that's not a problem. Give your money back and no sweat. We want to take all that stress and all those worries and all the fears. We want to remove that as much as possible. So that's why we offer this service, and that's why if you call, you can speak with an attorney right over the phone. All you have to do is just say, look, I understand that I can have an attorney call me back, and we will make the arrangements to have an attorney call you back. I routinely answer the phone here. Stacey Feldman is a former prosecutor with Maricopa County. She was a felony prosecutor. Adam Feldman also works with me. He is a former prosecutor. We have a team of attorneys who basically are standing by, and if you just want to have some questions answered, you don't want to come to the firm, no problem. So anyway, give us a call, 602-989-5000 for any criminal matter. If you'd like to get some answers, we're more than happy to give you our take on what your situation is. 602-989-5000, and thanks so much.